So here we are in the Fantom chart, the FTM chart, and we've seen that Fantom's been on an absolute tear for 2020 to 2021. Just looking at the price increase from March 2020, already we have seen with this coin 169,000%. That said, when you place the Fibonacci extensions onto the chart, we can actually see that there is room left to grow should the end of the cycle not have been in already. Now this did look very kind of peakish, it did look very topish, the way it kind of came up, came down, and when it did retrace up, it kind of retraced up to that, if we were to draw the fibs on there, kind of that 0.702 extension. Look, it even did it really, up to the 702. Came up, came down, up to the 702 and dropped down. That's quite a bearish thing to see. So there is an argument, absolutely, to say that the coin is done for. If it was to go down, let's see where it would go. I'd probably estimate it would go, well, between this level right here. So it could come down to these levels. I would say this is an option, and if not for now, then later too. Maybe you could set some cheeky orders in at the 5-cent level all the way up to the 9-cent level. Although I tend to think Fantom's got room left to grow in this cycle, just because we haven't seen so many coins move and we haven't seen the end of it yet. We haven't seen the blow off top ND type phase of the market. So if this Fibonacci extension is accurate, like it has been for many coins, let's look to see what we'd be looking at in terms of price for the end of the cycle for Fantom. On the lower end, we'll be looking at a 600% increase from here up to $10.43. And at the upper end, you're kind of looking at a 713% increase. That brings our coins to, again, $10.43 all the way up to $12.19. So if that did happen, and then we came down for the bear market, where should you be looking to buy? Because for me personally, 700% on my coin isn't that exciting. When I look at coins like Bitcoin Cash, that's got 3,871% left, Seer coin that's got 2,700% left, Dash which has 4,700% left. You know, when I look at the 700% for Fantom, I think, well, is that really that interesting to me? How much has Fantom already gone up this cycle? Yeah, it's gone up 173,000%. So there's a stronger chance, a stronger case to say that Fantom's already done. Fantom's already done its bullish move. But if it hasn't already done its bullish move, we're going to be selling off most of our bags at $10.43 and $12.19. So when it does get up to that level, and if it does get up to the top of this Fibonacci extension and then it comes down, it's 96, 97%, where are we left? Well, I'll put the line right there so you can see where we do end up. And that is the bear market buy, I believe, if we have a good solid end to the bull run in 2021. And that would be at the 36-cent level. We can see this has been a point of support and resistance a couple of times. So we would be revisiting these numbers again. So that's the 36-cent level. And let's just say if you sold at the top, so this was the top of the cycle, and then the bottom of the cycle was that 36-cent area, where would we be looking as a price prediction for 2025? Well, that's at the $50 level. So, you know, if you're buying the dip, for example, if you're buying this dip in the bear market at 36 cents and you ride the wave all the way to the top, that would be another 13,700% gain. Your money is made in the bear market. We don't make our money in these crazy FOMO moments. We make our money when we buy at the bottom of the bear market. And that's going to be an aim on my channel, to really help people identify this moment here. Because if you're buying at this moment, even after the massive dip of May this year, you're still up 7,000%. And if you do manage to ride it to the top of the market and sell at a good point, 157,000%. Where else are you going to get something like that? Only in crypto. But you only get that opportunity when you buy at the ultimate bottom of the market. So to summarize, If the market does not increase from here, and we've already seen the top of Fantom, we would be looking at a 9 cent to a 5 cent FTM. If the market isn't over, we're looking at between a $10 to a $12 Fantom in this cycle, and then at the bottom of this cycle back down to a 36 cent level to rebuy, to take the wave for the next cycle. Well, the channel has been growing like mad, so everyone must be really enjoying the content and the 10x pumps you get for every subscription. Hit the notification bell too, just in case you want to see all the other videos. Right now it's all been about the price predictions for the rest of 2021 and the rest of this cycle, but I will make other videos. I've got a course coming out for beginners and chart reading, and there'll be one-to-one sessions there to talk about personal finance on Zoom and everything, and live streams and all of that. So if you want to be around for it, I liken my channel to be getting into Bitcoin in 2011. I'm at 195 subscribers, but I'm going to click refresh and see what happens. Oh yeah, well, 229 subscribers then after the refresh. As you can see, the channel's growing like mad. Follow me on Twitter. The link is in the description, and I do post some updates there. And yeah, I've got loads of videos, man. Check them out.